How to fix keyboard slow response in Windows 10 or 11. So this issue could actually be persisting on Windows 10 or Windows 11 both, but you can try to solve it either way. The way we're going to do is we sometimes it could just be, let's say, a driver issue. So we will go to device manager. Now first try to connect external keyboard. If you're already using an external keyboard, you can try to check the USB port and reconnect another keyboard. If you're talking about your laptop or anything, then you can try to connect an external keyboard and see if the issue persists. Then from here, simply go to keyboard, and here you will see all the keyboards that you have. Right click on it, click on update driver and search automatically for drivers, and make sure to install the latest version of the drivers. If this doesn't help, then you can simply open command prompt right from here, and then you simply need to paste this command that I'll make sure to drop in the description, which is dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup hyphen image space slash restore health. Then just click on the enter button, then it will run it. Now currently I'm using Windows 11, but if you have Windows 10, then this particular command will work successfully, and restart your computer, and that should help you. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.